Hi guys, my name is Irfan from smartincubator.com and welcome to another live trading session. So in this video, as I said, I decided to kind of shorten my videos because it used to be super long and nobody was willing to watch it until the end. I said, okay, I'm just going to show you the results, what exactly happened during New York session opening, and how you could have taken a trade if you didn't. So before I dive into GBPUSD, guys, because I want to show you the trade that happened on GBPUSD and NAS 100. Beautiful setup, completely textbook setup, absolutely insane. But before that, I want to show you a surprise, guys. I want to show you the results for Goldie Incubator that happened on my account. As you can see, these are all the trades that this robot took during London session in the past 24 hours on a $1,000 account. As you can see, it's live, and if I go to account history, you see that these are all the trades that it took a few hours ago during London session, which was absolutely crazy. And I can show you the results here as well. Here's the result. We literally installed this account in March 7th and today is March 9th, and in 2 days we gained almost 14% profit, which is $143 Canadian, which is absolutely really good. I really liked it, and I think that it has potential to go way higher. And by the way, you can try Goldie Incubator for 7 days for free. You can grab your license from the link below in the description, and then after that email us your account number. We'll manually activate it for you. So without any further ado, let's get into GBPUSD. So I want to do a little bit of replay for you to show you exactly what happened when New York session literally started. So when I woke up in the morning, I noticed that we have like a super bullish trend, but after that I noticed one more thing, that the market is trying to create lower lows and lower highs just because it's going up and down like this. See, so when you're seeing such a thing, you gotta predict that the market is trying to change its direction towards downside. Whereas here, as you can see, we have higher highs and higher lows. We only have higher highs and higher lows, which is absolutely crazy. So we know that the market is bullish on a 5-minute time frame, and then I switch my time frame to 15-minute time frame. So if you remember yesterday, my yesterday's video, I showed you guys that the market is literally trending like this. See, it's trending. So we don't have any clear trend, but we could take a profitable trade yesterday as well. If you watch my video, that's a really good thing, because you know how we could trade, how we could take the trade. But right now, today, I noticed that we have a huge break of a structure in this area, because this is a swing high and we literally broke this swing high. And what happened after that was, after this broke, it did a little bit of correction and then it shot up again. But I noticed that we have a high probability order block on 15-minute time frame, which is this one here. I couldn't see it in 5-minute time frame. I could only see it in 15-minute time frame. And then I switched my time frame to 5-minute time frame, and then I noticed that we have this high probability order block in 15-minute time frame, and it is a high probability order block because after this huge bullish candle, the next candle never tapped into this zone, and there was a space in between. So that's why it makes this zone a high probability order block, or a high probability demand area. It's just a fancy name for that. And then after that, I was waiting for the price to tap into this level because I still knew that the trend is bullish, and I was waiting for bullish momentum. And this is what happened. It literally tapped into the zone. I was waiting for it, and then I noticed that we have a bullish engulfing candle literally formed after this bearish candle that tapped into this zone, and it closed above the previous candle. So what you could do is to take your long position from here, put your stop loss here, and your TP. If you want to take a one-to-one trade, you can take it from here, or if you want to leave a runner as well, you can just leave it all the way to here. It totally depends on you. And this is exactly what happened. It literally smashed TP. Beautiful setup. It was very clean. And then after that, as you can see, the TP is smashed without no problem. And if you wanted to leave a runner, it could have been a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio trade, which was absolutely amazing. So this is for GBPUSD, guys. If you have any question, drop your comment here. And if you don't know what supply and demand zones are, I highly recommend you to watch my previous videos, especially my first video on my channel. I just talked about order blocks strategy and supply and demand zones. So without okay, so and NAS 100 was a very cool one. I want to do a replay around like 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is exactly when the market opened, like New York session opened. So we have this consolidation here, higher highs and higher lows. So it means that the trend is bullish, definitely okay with that. And we have a very, very strong swing high around this area with so much liquidity. So you can assume that the price is trying to tap into this level to grab all the liquidity and stop out all the sellers that took their sell position here and put their stop loss above this area. And we also have a very strong bullish trend because of these higher highs and higher lows on 5-minute time frame. So what I did was trying to find, high probability order blocks to see where we have it, and I could find one here. This is a high probability order block that we have, and this is another high probability order block that we have. And after identifying all the high probability order blocks, I started looking for Fibonacci level setup. So as you can see, we have a very clear break of a structure here. This is a break of a structure. So after that, we can see that where this move started from here. Where did the correction start from? From here. So if I wanna, I'm gonna put 0 here, 100% here, our golden zone here that never tapped into, and then after that I was waiting for a good setup that literally happened after that. So as you can see, it literally tapped into this level, it stopped out all the sellers and never tapped into this zone. So I'm going to delete this, and then the liquidity is already grabbed. You could take it, but it was nowhere. Like, it was so close to the resistance level, but if you wanted to take a long position, you could do that, but it was like a gamble. You could take a profit, but there was no structure for that. There was no Fibonacci level, there was no high probability order block. Now we have a high probability order block around this area. And you could have waited for more, and you can also use your Fibonacci level one more time, because you know that the break of a structure happened from here and the correction happened from here. So after that, you'll see that it tapped into this area, which is our gold zone. And look at this. It literally rejected towards upside, and the next candle was a bullish engulfing candle. So that's why I'm saying, if you combine order block strategy or supply and demand with Fibonacci retracement levels, you're going to be super profitable. Fibonacci sometimes can help you a lot, especially when you see that the not especially, you should always see a trend, whether it's higher highs and higher lows, or lower lows, lower highs, or a break of a structure like this, so you know that where the price started to shoot up or go down. And this is exactly what happened. Break of a structure. Where did it start to go up? From this candle here, because this is the last bearish candle, and then it literally started from here and the shout up, stopped out all the sellers, and then you can literally draw your Fibonacci level from here all the way to the top where the correction started. And then after that, you see that it literally tapped into this golden zone, and bullish engulfing candle after that, boom. It could be a beautiful trade. And look at this, it's just going up. It's just going up like crazy. And another break of bullish engulfing candle, order block here. I want to see where it's going to respect it or not. And if I want to use my Fibonacci one more time from here all the way to where the correction started, look at this. Look at this golden zone, right? See? It went up, the correction has started from here. So this is the bottom, this is the top. It did a little bit of correction. It tapped into the golden zone. It rejected this zone, so it means that it respected it, and it rejected towards upside, and it's a beautiful candle here. And you can, you could take your buy position from here, put your stop loss here, and your TP right here. 1-to-1 trade, exactly 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade. And then you could have waited for this candle here. See, one more time, tapped into the order block, bullish engulfing candle, and here we go. See, it's super easy, guys. Like, I can't say, that's it. I'm not using any indicator. I'm just using pure price action, using supply and demand zones and Fibonacci retracement tool. That's it. And I'm literally doing it in front of you. I didn't get prepared for that. Like, for GBPOC, I saw what happened, but for NAS 100, I'm literally back testing it in front of you and show you what happened. And it's crazy. I'm just using Fibonacci, supply and demand, and it tapped into it, bullish engulfing candle towards the trend. Take your buy position here, put your stop loss here, your TP here, you're done. You're done. And you could have got done, way earlier, because all these zones are now, ineffective, at least for today. So, super easy. I don't know what to say. And the Fibonacci is literally crazy. Look at this. Look at this golden zone here. Boom. Another one. High probability order block here. Boom. Done. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's gonna help my videos to be pushed in front of more people. And if you want to try Gold Incubator for free, feel free to check out the link down below in the description, or check out smartyincubator.com. Grab your license and I'll see you on the other side.